Welcome back, Better Agents. Nicholas Ayers coming to you live from Better Agency HQ. And in today's video, we've got a very special treat for you. I wanted to bring on my good friend, Will Shaw, to talk about a topic that he's extremely passionate about and something that drives our entire focus here at Better Agency. And it's this idea that in the very near future, all personalized insurance is going to be bought and sold through an independent insurance agent.
I think personal lines insurance is headed in the same direction as commercial lines. So just like when you're doing any kind of commercial lines, you're working with an independent agent. I think over the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to look at your personal lines insurance as being the exact same way. So if you're doing personal lines insurance or you have personal lines insurance, you're going to be working with an independent broker. We're already seeing signs of that happening across the board. So you're seeing in the direct-to-consumer landscape with what's happening with Lemonade and Zebra and those stock prices crashing. You're seeing it with Geico rolling out local offices, and you're seeing it with the captive market moving independent, what's happening with Progressive, Nationwide, and what we expect to hear this year from State Farm and Farmers. We're seeing the direct-to-model fail. Consumers want to have the online experience. They want to go online and find out more about insurance. But when it comes down to actually purchasing insurance, when they get to that point of actually buying insurance, over 99% of people fall off in that moment. And the reason is they want to talk to somebody. They want to talk to somebody that's local to their community that knows what's going on. They don't want to talk to a call center person that's maybe in another state or not an expert. They want to talk to somebody, and ideally talk to somebody that lives in the same community as them to make sure that they're getting the coverage they need. The coverage you need in your auto insurance vastly differs. If you're driving in Arizona, you need specific window coverage because you're going to get hit by a rock the second you hop on a freeway versus what you might need in, let's say, Portland, Oregon. So we're seeing that trend, and I expect that trend to continue to the point where personal lines insurance is predominantly sold and serviced through independent insurance agencies. So if you're an insurance agent, to prepare for this, the good news of this is more insurance is going to be coming to independent agents. But the reality is there's more independent agents than ever, and the number of independent insurance agencies are vastly miscalculated and probably underreported by upwards of 30 to 40%. And we can get into those reasons, but the reality is if you're going to take advantage of this movement to personal lines being sold through independent agencies, you have to set up for success. Just because people want to work with a local agent, a local advisor, does not mean that they are going to just come to you. They are going to still practice those online behaviors. We know that to be true through studies. When I say to prep for this, I'm going to say digitize your insurance agency. What I don't mean is prep to take the human element out of your work or out of your agency. That's not what I mean. But what I do mean is set up your agency so that you can handle a quote, bind, and issue process completely online, even with interjecting yourself. And what I mean by that is you don't want to have it so that they can just go to your website and purchase without ever speaking to somebody, but you also can't have them go to your website, email you, wait a day or two, respond, tell them you're reaching out to the carrier, go and get a quote, takes you a couple days to deliver, go back and forth with the carrier, forward carrier emails, have the carrier emailing them, and then deliver a proposal branded by the carrier. You have to control the experience. So you need to be able to actually quote, bind, and issue that policy same day or within an hour or within 5 to 10 minutes. So you need to set up your workflow. You need to set up your agency to be able to deliver that so you can interject yourself or somebody from your team at the right moment. And you need to control that experience for the selling and the servicing process, not the carrier. This is why we preach and harp on agency success and why agencies need to start thinking about their tech stack, not just in terms of managing their agency, but in terms of how do I deliver an online quote, bind, and issue process and experience, and how do I deliver insurance in the way that my consumers are expecting me to, and work with carriers in a way that enables my agency and doesn't hinder it. This is why we preach so heavily the concept of agency success. There's going to be more agencies entering the market, and to take advantage of this transition to where most, if not all, personal lines insurance is sold through independent agencies, you need to have the proper technology, the right community, and the right education to take advantage of it. And we're here really to help create the community and the education needed to take advantage of this transition so you're set up for success and that your agency can take advantage of this new wave. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to check out videos like this released weekly.
We'll see you again on the next video.